Hey everyone, it's Shelby. Welcome back to meal planning. I'm just getting ready to get started here. Monday, I'm going to make some chicken cordon bleu. Our boys have been real troopers through this whole Weight Watcher journey with Ken and I, and they are just like wanting some comfort food this week. So I'm going to return the favor and just cook for them. This is a great recipe. I have a tutorial video on my channel. I'll put the link in the description box below. If you click the show me button, it'll open that box up for you, and then you can just follow the link. It is wonderful. It is definitely a special occasion type of meal, a Sunday dinner or something like that, but it's pretty easy to do if you just break it down into steps. You can stuff it with prosciutto, regular ham, or what we like to do is use capicola and Swiss cheese, Parmesan, and then I also tuck a little piece of garlic butter in there. And if you haven't checked out my garlic butter video, you have to do that because I use it in so many recipes. You make it into logs, stow it away in the freezer, and then you can just cut off a piece as you need it. It's a wonderful recipe to have in your collection. I'm going to make a brandied mushroom cream sauce to go on top. Normally, I cook it with risotto, and I'm just being lazy today. I'm cooking it with steamed rice, but I'll also put the risotto recipe video link in my description box because it's really yummy if you make it with the risotto for sure. So here's the chicken cordon bleu. Just gonna spoon over a little bit of that mushroom brandied cream sauce. The kids are gonna love this. I think I'm going to have an omelet for dinner. Normally I only cook one dinner and the kids just eat what we eat while we're doing this Weight Watcher journey. But, you know, they don't have to lose weight. They're perfect. And they've kind of been pretty supportive of us on this lifestyle change that we've been trying to do. So I'm just going to cook them some comfort food. They're going into finals pretty quick here with school. They're great kids. Why not? Well, there's the chicken cordon bleu. On Tuesday, we're having spaghetti with meatballs. And I have two recipes on my channel. One is like an everyday homemade meat sauce. It has homemade meatballs, Italian sausage. It's a great recipe. I also have the real deal, the Italian Sunday gravy, where you have a ton of family over and you make a huge pot of sauce and then you use it all week long in your cooking. And I'll put the links to those two videos in the description box. I have 3 uncles who are Italian, and over the years I've seen my aunts cook their Sunday gravy, and I've just kind of picked the things I like about each of their recipes. It has the brachal, meat, everything. It's the Sunday gravy is a really good one to check out. All right, we're just going to serve it with a tossed salad and some garlic bread. And I just get Italian bread at the store, and then I use my compound garlic butter from the freezer and slather it on and then toast it off in the oven. For dinner tonight, we're having spaghetti, meatballs, garlic toast, and Ken's salad. And he put unauthorized, what are those things called? French onion, deep fried onion sprinkles on top of his. I wonder how many points that is. Huh! Wednesday, I'm going to make some mission style burritos. I'm going to cook some pork verde, just very simple. Chunk up some pork loin and throw in a jar of Trader Joe's salsa verde, and then just cook it low and slow until the meat is cooked and it is tender. Cilantro lime rice, super easy. Cook some rice, and then at the very end throw in half a cup of lime juice and a quarter cup of cilantro chopped. Mix it up. Easy peasy. Some pinto beans, and then all of the toppings. Ken and I are going to have to be careful this night. We're probably going to have to split a burrito to stay on our plan, but that's okay. It's going to be delicious. The boys will be happy. Ken cubed up some pork, and I'm going to add a jar of this Trader Joe's Hatch Valley salsa. We're going to let this simmer low and slow until the pork gets tender. Super easy. Mission style burritos. I have cilantro rice, some pinto beans, some pork that I cooked with a green verde sauce, some pico de gallo hot sauce, a little bit of that Trader Joe's low-fat cheese, guacamole, sour cream. Gonna make it into a burrito, and Ken and I are gonna split this. Looks delicious. Can't wait to eat dinner. Thursday, I'm gonna make some reduced guilt egg rolls. I bought some wrappers a while back, and I want to try to make a healthier egg roll, an unfried egg roll. And I'm gonna bake it. So I'll show you guys how I did that. They were actually pretty good and very crispy. It was pretty good. The kids tore them up. And then I'm making broccoli beef. I've made this on my channel before. It's a Weight Watcher friendly, super duper friendly recipe. I'll put the link to that in the description box, and then I'll make some rice, and if the kids want to have rice with theirs, they can. But Ken and I will probably just stick with the broccoli beef and enjoy a couple egg rolls. So we'll be able to stay on plan. The boys will be happy. We'll have some fake out, takeout. I'm gonna get this pound of ground pork cooked up in the frying pan, and then make sure I get all of the grease drained off. I have some veggies I want to chop up. About a third of a cabbage, some green onions, garlic, ginger, half a jalapeno, and I have some shredded carrots. I'm gonna get all this stuff chopped up and add it to the ground pork.
Looking for my mother's eyes as I'm staying close to the mirror. A lock of gold, a secret smile, little things I remember. Place a hand upon my heart as her, she was a believer. Sometimes
These turned out so good. Kind of surprised, but delicious. Friday, I'm making homemade pizza. I didn't realize I hadn't made pizza since we've been on Weight Watchers, and the boys are wanting to have some. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make pizza and serve it with a salad, maybe some fruit for dessert. Keep it simple, and really watch our portions. Ken and I will watch our portions. I'm also going to do a little bit of freezer cooking and make probably, I don't know, maybe 5 batches of the dough, and make a whole bunch of freezer pizzas and get them in the freezer. If you haven't seen that video and you have kids, you have to watch that video. I'll show you how to make the dough, and then you can go watch the freezer pizza video, how I form them, freeze them, and then how I cook them. It's excellent. You'll save a bundle over the course of your child's life if you can learn how to do good pizza. Today I did some freezer prep. I made 18 individual meat lovers pizza with Italian sausage, pepperoni, and capicola ham. And so tonight I just made a couple extra family-sized pizzas, and we're having a simple salad. Feels pretty good to get that freezer prep done, that's for sure. The ingredients that you will need is 2 cups of warm water, and you want it between 95 and 115 degrees. This is about 105 degrees, so that's almost perfect. You also need a tablespoon of yeast, tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and I have 5 cups of flour. The first thing I'm going to do is dissolve the sugar into the water there and give it a quick stir. It's going to help feed the yeast as it blooms. Next thing, add the yeast.
Times I can feel her arm.
In the mixer, I have the dough attachment and the 5 cups of flour. I'm adding the salt, the 2 teaspoons of salt, and I'm going to give it a mix. You can see that the yeast is activated, it's alive, it's growing. I'm going to slowly add this to the flour salt mixture. It's only been about a minute, but you can see the dough is coming together nicely. I'm going to spray this big bowl with some olive oil spray and then get the dough in there. It's been probably about 8 minutes that I kneaded the dough. It looks wonderful. You can see how beautiful that dough is. I'm going to spray the top with some little bit of spray, and then I'm going to get some saran wrap on it. And then just let this sit, and it's going to double in size. The first dough I made has risen. I'm going to get it divided into 6 balls. To form the dough, kind of cup your hand and just kind of roll it around on the counter, and you'll get a perfect dough ball. I'm going to finish getting these formed. I have a damp cloth here, and I'm just going to let these poof for a few minutes.
Sometimes I can feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes.
Saturday, Ken's cooking. The kids want to do a cookout. It's supposed to be pretty good weather. The sun's supposed to be out. They're making cheeseburgers, grilled brats, and baked tater tots. Ken cooked dinner tonight. He cooked cheeseburgers, brats, and tater tots. Looks good. I was going to do a spiral ham for Sunday dinner, but this day just got away from me. So plan B, pulled pork sandwiches with coleslaw and fruit. I'm working on cleaning out the freezer, using up anything that's been in there for a little while. This was a member's mark from Sam's Club. Some pulled pork, 2 pounds. You just heat it in the microwave, and I'm going to add some barbecue sauce, and the boys are going to have this for dinner tonight. I added some barbecue sauce. I'm going to get this back in the microwave for a few minutes, and then I'll make some pulled pork sandwiches. I'm heating up some ciabatta rolls with a little bit of this garlic butter. This is a compound garlic butter I make into logs and freeze. And if you haven't seen this video, I would highly recommend it. I use it on so many different things. So I'm just toasting up the rolls here, a couple more minutes. This has shallots, garlic, parsley, a little bit of lemon, salt and pepper. It's just so wonderful to have on hand. I'll put the link to this in the See More description box below. To make these pulled pork sandwiches, I just take half of the ciabatta roll. It's been toasted with the garlic butter. And then I'm just going to take some of this pulled pork. You know, I like to cook, but sometimes, you know, you have days where you just can't do it all. And today's one of those days for me. So I'm going to take the help of this pulled pork, and it's still cheaper than going out to eat at a fast food, something like that. Put a little extra barbecue sauce. I'm going to top it with some coleslaw. This is the KFC copycat recipe. I've made a video on this before. I'll put that in the description box. I'm going to serve this with fruit, and dinner is done. I went ahead and shopped the pantry and shopped the freezer, and I just need a few items this week. So I'll get to the store with Ken here, and I'll show you our grocery haul. It's such a small amount that I need this week. I'll just include it with this video. So at the store we got some basil, baby spinach, green beans, a couple pounds of asparagus. It looks so good. Shredded carrots, cremini mushrooms, green onions, broccoli and broccolini, some sweet onions, a slice in tomato. Looks really pretty. Look at that. Some blueberries, blackberries, and strawberries. Mangoes. Got 4 of those. A couple things of tomato sauce. And then I just got some luncheon meat and provolone cheese and a pound of ground pork and some American cheese. I got a couple loaves of Italian bread, hamburger and hot dog rolls. And what I did this week is we shopped from the freezer and we shopped from the pantry. So I just got the essential things that I need for this week's grocery haul. All right, guys, so that's our meal plan. We survived a week of comfort food. Weight Watchers is totally doable. And the kids are happy. I told them next week it's carrot sticks and water. No, I'm just kidding. I'll talk to you guys later. I hope you have a wonderful week and happy meal planning.
Feel her arms holding me as forever. Time changes everything, and everything will change in time. Love changes every heart, and any heart can change you. I see in you my mother's eyes, and I lay your head to my shoulder. A lock of gold, a secret smile. I will tell